What's up friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make Blue Lagoon cocktail. Well, let me show you what we need for this cocktail. And we have blue curacao, vodka, lemon juice and lemon soda, and of course ice cubes. Well, we have the ingredients, so let's get started.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story, and I need all of you to stop
Ice
what
cubes?
you're doing and listen.
60 ml of vodka. Now I'm gonna add in the shaker 100 ml of lemon juice. And now let's give it a shake for 10 seconds. Ice cubes.
Yeah, it's made with bits of real panther, so you know it's good. It's quite pungent. Oh yeah. It stings the nostrils. In a good way. Yeah. Brian, I'm gonna be honest with you, that smells like pure gasoline.
60% of the time, it works. Every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Now I'm gonna add lemon soda. And the last step, blue curacao. Wow, it looks awesome. Now let's stir it up a little bit.
Made with bits of real panther, so you know it's good. It's quite pungent.
And there you have it, the Blue Lagoon.
Stings the nostrils. In a good way. Yeah. Brian,
Oh, by the way, drink responsibly, never drink and drive.
60% of the time.
Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, press the like button and share this video with your friends. I'll see you next time. Cheers.